Right now, I'm going to tell you how to grow your channel. Right after this. Welcome. To grow your channel is that take a lot of time and hard work to do so. Tell your audience what your channel is about and let them know if you have another channel. Think about this. Should people really be watching your videos? Think about that. Figure out why people should subscribe to you. Your personality will show, and if the people who watch your videos see that you have a great personality, then they will be happy to subscribe to you. If you're using YouTube as a business, then treat YouTube as a side business. Always use YouTube as a side job, especially if you're starting out. There are many ways to make passive income outside of YouTube, so if you think that YouTube's the only way to make passive income, good luck. Some ways to make income is to use affiliate links, set up a Patreon, Twitch, your own website to sell merchandise, or sell things on Amazon, eBay, or something like that. Use YouTube for sponsor deals as well. You can also make an ebook, and that you make money off that. Focus on your craft and values. Never worry about the algorithm. A way for you to engage with your audience is refer them as you yourself. Hey everyone, or something like that, because they will feel more engaged with you. Reply to as much comments as you can. Ignore the negative comments and just enjoy the positive comments. It will really motivate you to do more. Watch time is more important than the views now, so keep that in mind. Use tags that people are searching for, and don't use one word tags unless it's your channel. Use tags that people are searching for. I recommend TubeBuddy. It will show you how people tag their videos. In the end of your videos, use the subscribe element, and what that is, it's pretty much a way for you to send your audience to your channel directly. Use the info cards to send them to a previous video that you did, and I recommend you do that to all your videos. Use the description in all your videos. Think about where your channel will send you career-wise, and beyond that, what drives you to make the type of videos that you are making right now. Now, passion matters. Something you have to think about is, do you relate to your audience? Thumbnails and titles are important, whether if you're a small-time YouTuber or a full-time creator. It will determine if people want to see the video, and if one day in the future if you need to go back to see if you need to make changes to the thumbnail, then go for it, and also change your title as well. Planning videos ahead of time. Being prepared is a great direction for your channel or your brand. Use multiple public playlists in your channel. It will help your audience see that you're more organized. Use YouTube to show your creativity. Using custom channel art or banners will help the new people to see your channel for the first time, know what your channel is about. So use that the right way. Use B-roll footage to make your videos look more neat, especially if you do like a vlog channel. Ask your friends how you're doing with your channel performance-wise, and ask for their opinions on what you can do better. We'll make more videos in the future, go into more deep detail about certain sections that I covered in this video. Thumbs the video up, share the video, and check out the other videos in my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.